Hi, I'm Andrea from the Dougherty Art School. Today I'm going to show you how to give some new life to this old sweater. For this project you'll need an old sweater, some fabric scissors, a needle, and thread. First, you'll take one of the sleeves of the sweater and measure out about how long you want your mittens to be. Mine ended up being about 7.5 inches. Then cut out the same length piece from each sleeve. For each piece, you'll need to sew a triangle in between where the thumb and the rest of the fingers will be. Turn it inside out and add pins to help guide where you're going to sew. Now, using a needle and thread, hand stitch 2 lines along the pins. Once your stitch is done, remove the pins and carefully cut out the triangle inside of the stitching. Next, we're going to hem the mittens, so fold down about 1/4 inch of fabric around where the fingers and thumb will go, pin it in place, and hand stitch around. You can also create a hem at the bottom of the mittens. If you have any holes in your mittens like I do, you can cut out shapes from the remaining sweater fabric and stitch them over the holes. You could also use felt for this. Now I've got my mittens to keep me warm during these frigid Austin winters. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please check out the rest of the Dougherty's videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.